Hi, fifth grader. I know that this is not the ideal way to start our very first art class of the year. Not only are we online, but it's totally asynchronous. I don't even get to see you in a meeting. And that's hard. It's hard for you, and it's hard for me. I'm going to be honest. But we want to get started. There's a lot of things that we're going to be doing this semester, and I'm really excited to get to know you and spend this time together. Oh, wait, you don't know who I am? Okay, so for those of you who don't remember, because we haven't seen each other in forever, or whom I've never met, my name is Mrs. Shimko. I'm the art teacher here at Carmalt, and I love to make art and teach art and be about art, among other things. There's 3 things that you might want to know about me. 1, I have 3 girls, a husband, and a dog. And like you, we've been in our house since last March because of COVID. Number 2, responsibility and effort are really important to me, both as a mom and as a teacher. I am less concerned with how awesome you are at art and more concerned with how much effort you put into it. How much do you try? What's going on in your brain as you're thinking about it? What challenges are you encompassing? And how are you meeting those challenges? Those are some of the things that we're going to be working through in art class this year. And the third thing about me, which maybe you know and maybe you don't, is that I am not originally from Pennsylvania. I am from a very small state, the smallest state in the United States, Rhode Island. And I spent 17 years of my life there before I went to college. Now, I've traveled a few different places. I've lived in different states, but now I'm here in Pittsburgh and I love it. I'm excited to get to know you, not just through the semester, but also through today. So here's your assignment in case you haven't read it below. There are 2 things for you to do today. One of them is a get to know you assignment. So there are 2 ways to complete it. The first thing you have to do is click on the first turquoise puzzle piece right down there. I'm sure you see it. It says check in. When you click on it, there are 2 questions. The first question is a video answer. And you have the option to put on your video and just like I'm talking to you, talk back to me and answer the questions via video. So I can see your face and get so excited about meeting you when I see you at our first in-person class. The second option, the second question, is if your video camera doesn't work, because that happens sometimes, right? Some of us have computers where it just won't access it, and that's life. If your video camera does not work, then you're going to answer question number 2 and write out your answers to the same questions. Do you have to do both question number 1 and question number 2 in that puzzle piece? No, just do one, but do it well. The second assignment I want you to do is to become, again, more familiar with the technology that we will be using here in Schoology. It's a drawing assignment. It's a drawing assignment in Schoology. So you will click on the second puzzle piece that says create. It's also right down there, right underneath the check-in one. And when it opens up, it gives you a space to draw. There are 6 colors that you can choose from, and I want you to draw the best thing that's happened to you since school started. Now, I know they might not be the things that you want to have happened, but there has been some joy, even amidst the hardship. So share with me in a picture. Yeah, I know that's the challenge. You can write it in words easily, but how can you share that idea visually in a picture? Because that's the challenge of art, right? Communicating a message through visual eyes means. Make sure to review your answer and then submit your answer to me so I get to see it. And I'm really excited to see what's been awesome for you. If you have any questions, please feel free to send me a text on Teams or to send me an email at my email address, which is posted in the class expectations section under contact info. And I'll see you soon. Bye, friends.